Alright, welcome back. Today we are doing HTML attributes and what are they? So this should be a nice quick one because HTML attributes are fairly easy to explain if you know what an element is, which is hopefully what I did in the last video. Anyway, HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. An element is something like a p tag. We did elements in the last one, and some text and another p. And if we wanted to add an attribute to this p tag, it would be something like style. So in this first part of your element, and then equals, and then what style should we give this? Font, weight, bold. And now our p tag shall have the attribute of style, and then in this attribute it has font weight of bold, saying anything within this p tag will now be bold. So that is what an attribute is. We'll do another attribute example. Usually you see an a tag, which is a link tag, and then the close a tag. And this is pretty useless by itself because we'd have nothing to link this to, so we'll just type in some text to link. And it doesn't really know what to do with this because it is a tag with no link in it. So the attribute of a will be href equals, and then the open and close quotes. And you can see now it actually has the underline that looks like a link. And so the a's attribute will be href, and then we can put in a link on this, which will be my web page. Usually if you want to link to external, you obviously add a https. And then the codepen.io, that spell. And now it actually shows we've already visited the CodePen site. But then if we click this, it'll reload this page and break everything. But that is what an attribute is. So you have an element, and then its attribute is a style. You can also add multiple attributes if you like, or if you need. So say if we wanted this link to open in a new tab or a new window, we could actually add the attribute of target, and then equals and brackets. I would say brackets, but it's actually quotation. I don't know why I said bracket. Target equals, and then we can put in blank. And now this link, when we click on it, I better actually just save this really quickly in case my link doesn't actually work. But yes, so we've got an a tag href of our URL, and the target is blank. So this should actually then load in a new tab when I click this. I'll just reload just in case it doesn't work. Yes, and now we have this loading in a new tab. So that is working. So that is what a HTML attribute is. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.